What's up, it's B-Man Kyle. I bet y'all are wondering, where's the Minecraft Oasis? I'm about to explain that to you. Okay, sorry. God. I swear to God, if he goes one more time. Okay, we're good. Okay, Minecraft Oasis can't play it until about a couple weeks because we are moving, by the way. Yeah. Go watch a big video, I believe, big update. Yeah, I believe, yeah, big update. I'll tell you everything that's happening in the next year or something, or a couple months, whatever. But yeah, I can't do that because we're moving, getting everything packed up. But yeah, see you guys. I'll start off probably in a week or so. Yeah, next Monday. Next Monday will be 4th Minecraft Oasis. See you guys.